Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning from this beautiful village over in Kenya, Africa. Today is another beautiful day. At least it's a week. It's a holiday, and we say happy holiday to everyone and everybody who's watching this video over here. Thank you so much for always stopping by at this place, and also for stopping by and let me know in the comment section what you think about this. Hey, I really missed the home. You know, I've been waking up and having some work and everything, which is a very good thing. I appreciate. And today we are here at home, and I want to share with you our projects that we are doing around here at home. But before that, there is some two metal bar that we have remained with over here before we proceed with our daily routine. Wow, these are the two metal bars that were fabricated, and they are laying here still because they are waiting for two bigger lights, and then they'll be fabricated and then they'll be installed to the orphanage. But let's put that aside. Today we are home and we are holidaying. It's on 10th. Is it even Mashujaa Day? Leo ni siku gani ma? Mashujaa Day. Madaraka Day. Okay guys, let me choose and say hi to mom, and you see what she's doing over here. Hey, good morning.
Morning to you.
Yes, this is my mom, guys. Do we look alike? Tell me what to say. Hi.
Hi.
Yes, guys, this is my lovely mom. What are you preparing? Tea.
Chai.
Yes, this is tea. It's milk tea, or is it tea with milk? It's an typical African village life, using firewood as a source of energy. Just like this is how we were raised, and this is how, despite that nowadays maybe we are kind of independent with maybe gas and maybe charcoal, but still we cannot leave this legacy. Yeah? It's a legacy always, even if maybe people might be having bigger houses and everything, but we always know that this is the legacy here in Africa. And also we must have this kind of firewood, and there's some firewood in an outdoor kitchen. This is a store where we store our stuffs. Another firewood, the bigger firewood. And there's something here in an African traditional society. I don't know how you call it in your language or in your society. How do you call this? Up here, you know, we always cook from out here, from in here when it's raining, but when it's not raining we cook from outside there. So when the smoke comes, it passes through this side over here, and the firewood that are there, they get dry, you know. Yeah, so this is a beautiful morning over here, and I want to be sharing with you what's happening around here. This is my beautiful home, and that's my house. This is my brother's house, and that's our parents' house. For the new subscribers who are here, I know each and every single day we always have new subscribers. How do we call this plant also, guys? I do love their flowers. There's some the flower like this, we used to pinch it out like this. I don't know if it's coming out, or this is not ready, like this. And inside here it has a very nice juice, a very sweet juice. I don't know how do you call it. Is it bougainvillea, or which kind of flower is this? It used to have a very succulent juice inside here. So we used to have this bigger flower. It's a very big tree, but it got cut down. So we as kids, we used to go up, we just choose this kind of flowers, and we just try to remove, and we suck the juice. Welcome to Africa, and everything you see, it's food. Including this, you know, we used to eat this. Wow, look at how it is. It's a very great season. The flowers are coming out nicely and very greatly. So guys, despite that, on our dreamland, we just shifted farming into nearly home here, because the other side we are doing farming, still farming, but we are doing it maize farming. Despite that, there's some critical plants like watermelons and other stuffs that we really decided to shift them to home here. Let me share with you. We see if our project is still going on well. Well, I'm very much happy that our carrots on Nantes, you see, our carrots on Nantes are coming out nicely. and very well. And also we have what we call like green pepper. Let me check. There's some guavas here, man. Some guavas here that are coming out. Today is not a lucky day for me to eat guavas. But down here, wow, me, I'm very much happy. Look, we have pepper. This is called sweet pepper. Let me know in the comments section. It's called sweet pepper. We planted them on this nursery bed so that some days when they grow, we can transplant them. These are bigger projects. At least today I'm home, and we are really looking onwards on how to do this. And let me share with you, because there's some things that are really happening which are not okay, but we thank God for everything. It's a very beautiful day, very nice. We are also plowing this side so that it can be clean. And happy Claude is that our watermelons have started coming out. They are at bursting stage, so this is the most critical stage. They really need a lot of attention. They really need a lot of water, and also they really need a lot of we call them chemical, or the medicine. Maybe when I say chemical, most of you will be like, hey Claude, why do you use chemical to spray on your watermelons? Watermelon is one of the water loving plant, and of course also it loves sun. And on another end, a watermelon is a critical plant that also needs attention, a very close attention, because if you leave it this way, you plant and then you go, by the end of the day you'll not be able to harvest anything. So I'll be sharing with you the journey of this watermelon. I'm just praying to Almighty God so that it can rain, because right now, as you see, they're coming out nicely. And also they need weeding and every stuff. And also there's a new farmer in the building right here. There's a new farmer in the building. I'm very much happy about how this project is going on. And let me check what my wife has been doing in here. Wow, look at this. At early stage, this one has lost its shape, but I'll try as much as I can to find a better medicine for it so that it can come out nicely. Hey, you are really working.
Don't play with me.
So is a new real farmer in the building.
I know, you thought you were a farmer, now I'm a farmer 10 times.
So it's up to the house.
Like I dug, can you show them? Show them what I did. Yeah. So we planted like...
what do you plant here?
We did cabbage.
Cabbage
around the house. It's cabbage. So I wanted even to watch it right now because I feel like the rains.
But you could have asked me, because around here, if the cabbages are really near here, then they could be inside the house rather than being near the watermelons, because they don't have similarities of this. Because watermelons really don't need any plant near.
Oh.
Yes, you could have advised me. You could have consulted me, and I tell you why. Because of course of this, all they'll be having what you call like transmission of diseases through air.
Okay.
Yes, but anyway, you're doing a very...
Should we uproot them?
No, don't uproot them. You're doing a good job, because if you have put here what cabbage, the good thing with cabbage is you can transplant them.
You can. Oh, you can.
Because at the early stage, you have to uproot them all and maybe transplant them to another place.
Okay.
And you cannot leave them this way. They not grow as according to how they are done. But anyway, let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this? Okay, good. Introduce yourself.
Hi guys, my name is Faith.
Okay.
Or Minhawi for those who do not know me.
Yes.
So yeah, we're here today to talk about to see what you're up to, what I've been doing and what he has been doing. He has been very busy on the other side of the orphanage. I think we have summarized a lot of work at the orphanage, so we are coming back home to resume our normal day-to-day
daily routine.
Yeah.
I don't like this dog. It seems like somebody hit it. Oh my god.
Someone hit it, and it's I don't know. I feel so horrible.
Shh. Come. I want to teach it how to. Oh, it's stepping on the watermelons, but let it come.
Yeah, because it doesn't have common sense.
Come.
But it has dog's common sense.
Yeah. Guys, this is not fair.
People are very bad.
This is not fair. Why? Why is the world so cruel, man? Yeah.
I'm taking care of them. Every time you leave them, someone beats them.
You know what?
Yeah.
I think this place, I need to call a vet, man. It's feeling very bad. And also the leash is not around.
It's like they removed the leash too.
So guys, actually some few weeks ago, not even
Just a
weeks,
week ago.
just a week ago, someone poisoned my dog. There we had a small dog, very fast. Actually, like, you couldn't come at home even at night. Like, it was very barking, like you cannot even enter. So somebody poisoned it and I felt very bad. I buried it. This morning, as you see, this dog, it had a leash over here, a neck leash. Like, I don't know how I can say it, man. This is very sad, guys. I usually don't want to create sad videos, but this is a very sad. It has really demoralized me. So maybe they want to kill all the dogs so that they can be coming at night here. What's the intention now? Why? You know, even it's bleeding. I have to call Maxwell. Stop. I have to call Maxwell. I don't know if I have. This is very bad. This is very bad. Very bad. I have to call Maxwell so they can come with the dog leash. This is very bad. Don't go far. He's our vet.
It's running away from the sun.
He's our vet because actually it's doing what we call, like, he's not receiving the call.
Okay, we'll call him later.
I'm feeling even a headache because when I'm seeing what we call, like,
Yeah, it's been a bit stressful, and such kind of things also add more stress, you know.
it's very bad. But why would neighbors do that? Anyway,
Okay.
guys, let's try and
let's
see.
continue. We'll see what to do.
Sometimes when you're not at home, a lot of things happen. But anyway,
So now,
yes,
I did managu.
managu,
Yeah, it's managu.
all the way to this corridor.
Yeah, I think it's managu or onions here. So, but here we have first. We dug every room of this house because we wanted to, you know,
Hey, you planted even sweet potatoes.
sweet potatoes. So these ones, they're already growing.
Guys, life in Africa, these are sweet potatoes. They are grown in just this low.
Yeah. So
But the funny thing again is, if you put them together, I'm not criticizing, I'm just telling you.
okay.
If you put them together, when they grow, you know, they are tuber crops. So when they squeeze each other. You could have given it a space. But you are trying. You are really, congratulations to that. You are really doing a very good job.
Yes.
Yeah, so that they'll be.
We did 3 rooms of this. So next year we don't want to have issues of eating bread every day. So we can mix sweet potatoes and bread.
And bread.
And also next year we won't have to worry about vegetables. So we won't be buying vegetables. So we're just being proactive, I think.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Hey,
here
investing
we
in the future.
have manago. Yeah, because next year we only have 2 months to next.
You are not lazy.
I ain't lazy.
You're not lazy.
I'm not.
Also, this room has this one was planted well. This one, it's better so that, you know, when they grow, the bigger the space, the bigger the potato.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Nice.
But when it's together this way, they squeeze each other. They don't get space to do what we call, like, to have everything. Hey, this house, guys. I'll give you one day a story about this house.
The big dream.
This was the big dream. But the big dream collapsed. You know, we used to stay in a very muddy house, like houses that could ask you. I'm telling you, sometimes you see people's videos with mud houses. I see myself in that situation. So my brother, our elder brother, may he finish what we call, like, his priesthood journey, school, because he shifted. Like, we grew in a family where, like, even salt, a 2-bob salt was very crazy. Not even salt, let's say matchbox. So we could go find big logs, you know, big tree trunks. We split it maybe into bigger 4, and then we make sure if we have fire, that fire will not go off until we have money for
Matchbox.
Until there's because it's something that used to be, there was food, but not that food. You could eat potatoes. So sometimes you avoid going to even ask for matchbox. So you have to put that log inside that fire.
So
it keep on burning. Yeah, it keep on burning. So my brother had a big dream that he wants us all to stay in one house as a family. So when the call came that he wants to go for priesthood, he left this house this way. So
or maybe one day he'll come back.
Yeah,
and
that's a big prayer. So it's
but in the meantime, it's making us food.
Yeah, it's making us food in the meantime.
Yeah, so yeah.
Also
I did managu here. There's that sample. That's the whatever was using.
Oh, you planted there. So this also this one are doing very good. It seems that they have already coming out very nicely because they are very vegetative. But the big dream, guys, this was a master bedroom with the toilet there.
Yeah. So there we have. I did a lot of managu because we may use a lot of that.
So these are called managu or broad nightshade. Mnavu shujaa. This is how it looks like. 10 grams, a lot.
Yeah. That's what
How was it?
It.
How was it being? Oh my God! This is just typical life in Africa. We are trying our best. Maybe the title of this video will be "My wife shifted completely to farming," and this is what you see. Okay, Manafu, and also over here, I'm telling you, this house used to be. So it was going to be something else. Okay, so
It's going to be massive.
it's already massive. So down here, what do you have at the living room?
So down here, we have of course we have half of it is cabbage.
Okay, again.
And then we have tomatoes.
How are you planting?
Majority is tomatoes.
Majority of tomatoes.
Yes.
Oh man, you know this way it actually keeps the house clean also. So, but when you leave it bushy and
it can have snakes.
it can have snakes, and that one would be very dangerous in here.
So we have like most of these are onion, then tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
Yeah.
Hey, guys, I'll give you a house tour one day and tell you what's happening on this house. Also here.
Here we have.
So this used to
coriander.
be this used to be the living room and
the dining.
Dining from the plan. Dining. Living room. Okay, over here we
have coriander.
Here we have coriander. Hey, the farmer.
The farmer.
Yeah, and in here.
Guys, it's big. You can't believe it.
This house is big.
Capsicum.
Oh, here we have capsicums. Wow.
Pilipili hoho.
Pilipili hoho. The sweet pepper.
Sweet pepper.
Called
The green pepper. It's green.
It's sweet. They're called sweet pepper.
Okay.
So here capsicum. It's whichever. Let us know in the comment section. Sweet pepper, capsicums, hoho, or what?
We have also kitungu.
Kitungu. Onions.
Yeah.
Yeah, so in here I don't know what was my brother's plan, but I don't know. So look, it's having a lot of rooms. So out here I'm very much sad that dogs are stepping over here on our watermelons, but when it rains things will be moving.
Will be okay.
Will you jump?
I have no intentions
to jump.
Yeah. Just go down
slowly. So guys, this is what you see. The main road is here. The orphanage is just right there, and things are really moving okay. So here we have a lot of stones. There are some barras. That's why you see there was not what we call like trying to dig. This is my grandma's rosary. This used to be my grandma's rosary. What did it fall here? Oh my God! Now I have to take it back home. Yeah, despite her being sick, I'll have to take care of her and everything. Yeah, so guys, that is my wife doing some amazing work inside this house. She doesn't want it to be just idle in there. Yeah, so let's go the other side. And actually guys, there were some wrong rumors, very wrong rumors. I even felt like beating people their head. There were some very wrong rumors. People spread some rumors that my grandma Bibi has passed away. So people were flocking here when I was away. When I was away at the orphanage. So I received a call that, hey, people are saying that your grandma. Some started saying, sorry, oh Claude, sorry for the them. I told them, no. Grandma, she's alive and she's really doing okay. Okay, man, look at this place. Very nice and great. And also our wooden gate, which is the best gate ever. They are calling it Viking. Okay, farmer.
Yes.
I had Bibi's.
Should we pour water now? What is that?
This is Bibi's rosary. I don't know who took it and threw it away. You know, some people in the evening. You know, people are crazy. You hear even yesterday they were giving fake rumors that Bibi is dead.
Oh yeah. Huh? Oh, yeah. So yesterday I was taking our daughter to school, and then along the way I stopped to pay someone their debts that we had, and then some lady was like, "Oh my God, Faith, we are so sorry for your loss. Oh, we are so sorry. We didn't know. I'm even planning to come to your house at around 3 p.m. once I'm done cooking. I'm so sorry for the loss of Bibi." We're like, "Oh, which Bibi?"
People are like, crazy.
Which Bibi?
I don't know.
And then it was like 3 ladies coming
home
to the car and telling me. And then along the way, I met two other coming home. And I was shocked. We told them we don't have a funeral here.
People are crazy, man. Yeah. I wish I knew who has spread those false.
That Bibi had passed at 3 p.m. 2 days ago. So it was.
People are really crazy, man. Those are fake rumors. Fake rumors, of course. I wish I know who has been spreading those fake rumors. You know, this is. I think maybe people. I don't know what they're talking about sometimes, but anyway. This is our backyard, and this is Bibi's rosary. She used to be a very prayerful lady, a very prayerful lady. Despite nowadays she's sick, she's sickling because of being diabetic, and this is how our compound looks like. Very nice. So today I'm home and just sharing with you some stuff. What do you want to do?
Let me show you. Let's go behind that house.
Okay. Hey, manager.
See what we did here?
Okay. So this is a very good job, because when you're doing it this way, some getting bushy, and we know we are the only people who have small kids around.
Yeah, so want this also to be done.
Yeah.
Up
to the other side.
Clear and clean.
This is a way.
Because
it's a walkway.
A bit neglected.
And this is our neighbor's home.
Yeah.
And farm. So also she's doing a very great productive of vegetable, which is skuma, onions. It's a mixture of everything. Yeah. And all the way, this is our beautiful home, green home. You know, despite this home being clean and green, and maybe those a lot of houses, this dog is following me everywhere. Come we go. Despite having maybe a nice house at your father's compound, some days according to our culture is you will leave it, and maybe when you are being given or you buy your own land, then you'll be coming. This old property will belong to the last born. Doesn't it sound crazy? Yeah? Everything here. But stuffs are really moving okay. Oh, they have powered it off. No. My diary, office, all records kept here. And we see how things are moving slowly. Let me see. Good morning to grandma. Good morning to grandma. Grandma. Yeah, I think right now she's here. Bibi. Hello. Hi. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
You good?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, actually guys, fake rumors were rumoring about Bibi, but the good thing is, guys, also there's some idea that I saw. This is a leather mattress cover. This one, they can also be used at the orphanage. You know, this one I created it in one of the garage, where they see what we call like car seats. So I preferred to just make this because Bibi is diabetic, and I don't want her to be always on I don't want her always to be on Pampers like this, because sometimes we make her feel uncomfortable. So it's better. Sometimes she's very flat, so we covered it like this one. They can be very much helpful in the orphanage. Because there's some kids who are there, or children who really urinate. So it's better if they have something like this. You can even wash it. Look, even her chairs are all leather like. Bibi salimia watu, waambie haidoma iye mulale, haidoma.
Okay.
Wana wafike legaso, haidoma iye mulale, haidoma wana wafike legaso. That's her favorite song actually. She always sing like that. Haidoma iye mulale, haidoma. Aya imba. Haidoma iye mulale, haidoma. But her health is deteriorating, guys. Sorry, baby. You know, she has a wound at the leg, but haidoma, haidoma iye mulale, haidoma. Let me not exhaust her with words. But she's alive, guys. She's doing everything. She can speak, she can recognize a little bit, but not as usual. Wambie subscribe. Yeah. And one thing about her room is maintenance of cleanness is top notch, starting from the living room to her beddings, very clean. And yeah, asa wepumzika bibi. Yeah, I had to hang her rosary here so that it can be always be there. Nkoho osabe. Yeah. Atigang tore han. Yangi hangi hano noratabute. Muntu noracha kuibe. Uwe munye hayongu chande. Taja uwe. Ndacha bakurusi. She doesn't know that she has anything. She's trying to tell me stuff that I know very well she can't. You know, nowadays we always take her in, out for the sun and other stuff. Anyway, guys, it has been a very nice tour. Also, this is the corridor of our beautiful home, and we'll be focusing on stuffs around what to do. There's a tomato tree here. I don't know if there's some tomato trees which are ripe. Oh my god, this one is almost ripe. There's another one that was around here. We call them tomato tree. Life in Africa. That's the inner side. Looks very sweet. Its taste is kinda sour. Sour. You know, so let us know at the comment section what you think about this, and we'll be ending this video. But I have to call for a vet so that he can actually maybe we see what will be happening with this dog. And also, it's very much okay if when we will be doing what we call like heading to the orphanage, because right now we have remained with 37,050. Yeah, 37,050, in which we were to continue with the other rooms, but the donor pulled back and said no, we have to focus on other stuffs. So with me, I'm not the one who is donating. With me, maybe it's time and also sharing with you, being accountable for everything, showing you where we are buying this, writing down, so that we can help the kids actually at the orphanage. So for now we have 37,050. that was for one donor, and then the other money we are here, we also have it. So we are really much praying so that we can finish all those projects that are there, and we will appreciate your love and support. For now, let's wait. We wait for a vet. All right, relax. Okay, guys. The vet has told me that he's coming. Oh, already is here, man. Wow. He's the vet. So let us see. Yeah? This in okay. I don't know, for your wallet, I should go 100. Mr. Maxwell.
Yes.
Good morning. Man.
Yeah, morning.
Hey.
You're doing good.
I'm doing okay, but not okay, man.
Why?
For some few days again, they are trying to kill
another dog.
They are trying to kill the bigger dog now.
Yeah, these people.
So this one was an act. It was an act of physical, not now that one. Maybe they, yeah. I don't know if it's chopping. I don't know what happened. This, when you see the leash that was here,
Yes.
it has they have cut it off,
Yeah.
and actually this place, I think it has been beaten thoroughly. You can, it's just. I'm feeling as if it's you know, it has become very soft. So guys, the vet has come, but the dog is very like it's fearing, it's fierce. Tunitengeneza hii leash kwanza alafu tu. The vet has come and we are trying. Actually, it's very heavy, so I'm trying so that it cannot bite me. Yeah. So it means that this whole place, this area, it was hit with a strong blunt thing.
Or sharp, I think.
Sharp object. And a blunt object. Hey, ni sindano man.
Eh?
It's an injection. So, we could have brought what we call.
How do you hold it?
It's okay. Pause. So we are putting up the powder on top. Don't show the blood.
Okay.
Putting up the powder to this. You see, it's sucking it inside. And it's now polite. Good. Yeah, guys. So our dog is being treated.
Has been treated.
Is being treated because still it's on dose. Yeah. So and we have our vet here.
Yes.
Introduce yourself. He is also a content creator.
Yes, I'm a content creator. I go by the name Max the Vet. That's my YouTube channel name, where I do different vlogs about African lifestyle around, also about village logs. That is what I'm doing, because initially I used to do things about veterinary, but I saw it was not making to my expectations, so I had to shift my niche so that I do some other things. Yeah, even charity work I usually do. Yes.
So you can come and help us at the orphanage there.
I'll come. I saw your videos. You were there.
There's also a cow there,
Yes.
but it's really it's a stool. It's not a normal stool.
It is
In
very
a
hard.
hurry. No.
Okay, it is the rearing.
Yeah, they are rearing.
It has colic.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe today you'll be there.
I was to be there today, but I'm going to do what we call like just check on the project that we were building.
Yes.
And then maybe I can talk to mom over there, and then we
talk
can
to her.
Yes.
Then I can come over.
Yes.
Once you talk to her, let me know.
Yeah.
Then I'll come and help.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, man. Guys,
Yeah,
please
thank you,
subscribe
thank you,
to our
thank
YouTube to his YouTube channel
Yes.
at Maxwell Lumumba.
Yes.
And right here we are here, and it's almost happy. Now you'll be on chain, man, because they're always killing others. So you'll be on chain.
So, thank you.
Thank you.
All right.